Hi Fabrice, what are we doing this week?
This week, we're doing chilies.
Great.
Well, it's mid-January now, and it's a really good time to get your chilies together.
Okay.
Get your chili seeds together.
Okay.
The reason for that is chilies can take quite a long time from a seed to a ripe fruit. So with the Scotch Bonnet sown at the beginning of February, you're probably only going to get ripe fruit mid to late August.
Wow.
So it takes a while.
Okay.
But this time of year, really good to get your chili seeds sorted. And you can do that. There's 3 ways we're going to suggest.
Okay.
The first place you get your chili seeds from is the internet.
Okay.
Lots of different chili seeds available, but we'd recommend 2 companies in particular. Firstly, Seaspring Seeds has got a huge range, and everything we've ever grown from them has grown really, really well. They're basically getting varieties for UK conditions.
Okay.
Real seeds, smaller range, but very good, productive vegetables, which should do well outdoors in London, most of the ones they do.
Okay.
We've had really good results from them too.
Okay. So that's one way. The second way?
That's the first way. Second way is, if you've got a chili plant from last summer, the seed in those fruit will be good.
Great.
Chilies tend to self-pollinate, so even if you're growing several varieties together, you should get good seed.
Okay.
Just make sure your seed is from a fruit that's fully ripened.
Okay.
So this chili, fruits aren't going to be good,
No.
still green. This one, ripened on the plant to orange. It doesn't have very many seeds, but they're going to be very good.
Okay, great.
And the third place you can get them is from Brixton Market.
Okay.
Lots of different Scotch bonnets in particular, but you find all sorts of treasures lurking in the shops. Again, make sure you've got a ripe fruit, but you should get beautiful seed.
Okay, great. So what do we do with the seed?
Sowing chili seeds is very easy. You've got 2 choices. You can either do it in modules.
Yeah.
This is best if you're doing a small number of seeds, and that's because when the seed's got to the stage at which you want to pot it on, you don't disturb the roots.
Yeah.
However, if you're in a hurry or you're doing loads and loads of seeds, you can just do it in a pot like this.
Okay.
When the chili seeds are about 1 inch tall, seedlings are about 1 inch tall, you can just separate them out into their final pots, into the next size up,
Okay.
and you'll be fine.
Okay.
One thing to just bear in mind, labels.
Yeah.
Another thing you can do is once you've got your seeds there, I put them in about 1 centimetre apart.
Okay.
I cover them with about 1/2 centimetre of compost, or you can use vermiculite.
Okay.
Water it in, put a plastic bag on top to keep your humidity in, and then put it somewhere really warm. So Scotch bonnets, 25 degrees plus to get them to germinate. Other chilies, about 20 degrees plus.
Okay.
If you do that, they come up really fast.
How fast? 5 days?
5 days, 7 days.
Excellent.
Put them somewhere warm. As soon as you see them germinating, you can move them into the light.
All right. So you don't need light to begin with. You just need
heat.
heat.
You need the warmth.
Okay.
And then the last thing I was going to say was, I'd start sowing end of January, beginning of February.
Okay.
If you've got a grow light, you can do them earlier because the light will be brighter. You've got.
Great.
Light levels are very low.
Yeah, I know, it's dreadful. Okay, thank you very much, Fabrice. See you next week.